Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the graphics quality in Gumball With Your Friends. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, navigate to graphics. After that, simply in the graphics settings and the quality, click this drop-down menu and select the graphic preset you prefer. You can pick between either high, medium or low. Those changes are applied instantly. Maybe you can notice a slight stuttering after I make my changes. Of course, after you make your changes, you can simply close the menu by pressing this button right here. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.